In recent events, we have a new install. This Hyundai Elantra, I believe it's a 2018. It's not brand new, but to the customer it's brand new. We got our man, Louis. He's gonna be doing the installation. Hopefully it comes out perfect. I'm gonna use the GoPro to get some time-lapse footage. And right now he's just getting it prepped. So the first thing Louis does normally is gets the wires through the firewall.
Make a hole in the hole.
Make a hole there. Get it to the firewall. Run the wires down. From there, good. Also we're going to be using the LC6-I to get the audio out of the factory radio. Looks like he already got the amps installed. Alright, so all the wires are ran. As you guys can tell, he already got done hooking up all these little connections for the LC6-I. The 4 channels installed, the 2 channels already done. He's now going to take apart the radio so we can hook up the speaker line behind the radio. Cool, so that is that. We're almost done with this bad boy. And that was easy, right? Simple. You know it's easy? Because I wasn't doing it. And this is about being like a 3-hour job now. Typically what the time it takes to do one of these cars. Alrighty people. We'll be back in a bit. Let's go check out the new car that Louis is going to be working on. Alright, so this is the new car we got in. This customer has been here before. All we're going to do is install his own amp for bass. Honda Civic 2020. Brand new from the dealer. Look at those seats though. So this is the customer's equipment. Right there. 2 subwoofers and a little amp. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? Oh, here's the amp right here. This is the amp. That's the wires. Who is it? Yeah. So Louis, he's gonna knock out number 2, which is the wires, the amplifier, and that's the subwoofers. Civic. We got Lewis right there tapping into the lines of the original radio. Is that what the speaker wire is, Rick? And we're gonna hook up the RCA's. This is one of the fastest installations you've done, Rick. I remember Junior did this car last week for it took him literally 4 hours.
No, lo hacen 10 minutos.
Cool, so I'm in the Civic. Lewis is almost there. He's almost done. This thing came in, we had lunch. Actually, it got done pretty fast. So to the people who were at CES, I'm glad you guys went. We didn't get to go because we're the slaves of the workplace. All right, guys, that is it. That's the end. Thank you for watching. Again, comment, like, subscribe, and also share the video to those of you who love car audio and love doing what we do and can see more projects and see more little things that we do. This is just a basic blog, and it's kind of what we do all the time. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.